This is a 2-bedroom house which is located here in Benoni. 6 by 8 meter, which is 48 squares. It has got 2 bedrooms. It has got toilet, bathing room, kitchen and lounge, which is open plan. Here's the sliding door. We got into the lounge now. Getting into the kitchen. Lounge and kitchen is open plan. These are kitchen boards. Kitchen boards, the sink, the stove. It's electric stove. Okay. Yes, and the sink for the toilet. This is the shower. Then we go to the main bedroom. Here's the main bedroom. It's got 3-door wardrobe. 3-door wardrobe. It's not yet painted as such. Second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. It's got a fitted wardrobe, 2-door. Yes.